It's not just a matter of law enforcement and other activities that the Commission undertakes, but one of the most important elements, of course, is prevention. If we can prevent corrupt behavior from taking place, I think we'll be succeeding a great deal, as opposed to just waiting until people have done things and then we engage law enforcement.
Recently, I recall we had a report from a primary school around called Morera Primary School, and where 34 acres of land are perceived to have been, grabbed, and people have titles part of that parcel of land. And we are moving and even working with the stakeholders. We'll do the investigation and to restore the land which belongs to the school.
Our memorandum of understanding between us and EACC is to create information, awareness, so that our community, our followers can understand, and our faith leaders can preach against